Welcome into an atmosphere that is airy, open and warm. Kitchen explodes with custom all-wood cabinets, easy close drawers, eating areas for breakfast, formal and bar makes entertaining a breeze. Custom built-ins frame the fireplace. Enjoy your favorite sports or movie with your media speakers. A true 4-bedroom, all large-sized. Decorative ledge skylight showcases top of stairs. Bedroom level laundry. Master suite double vanity and spa tub. Basement finished for recreation or living quarters with full bathroom. Lots of storage closets. Newer windows, vinyl siding, tile flooring, carpet, interior paint, HVAC, all less than 2 years old. Check out the 3-car garage tandem. Wood fence lining large lot. Rare find in RAINTREE at this price.